At Classkick, we believe in empowering teachers and students to recognize strengths and provide individualized real-time feedback to address needs. How is this accomplished? Teachers create any type of activity to monitor, assess, and provide feedback to their students. Here, students create an identity tree with family and friends as the roots, their interests and strengths as the trunk, and their character strengths and virtues represented as the leaves. As they work, students can ask for help privately in Classkick, and teachers can track and respond to student needs in the moment. Rather than using a paper survey to ask questions about strengths and interests in and out of school, teachers can survey students and their family members to provide thoughts about the student. Students can share this assignment with family members by sharing the link and logging in at home. Teachers can see students working in real time at school or from home and retain this knowledge for future assignments. Want to see your students' strengths in real time? Try Classkick for free at classkick.com.